What if you could trade real-world events, not just crypto charts? For example, will Bitcoin hit a certain price? Will a football team win a big match? With BingX EventX, you can trade these types of events using simple yes or no contracts. The idea is simple. If you think something will happen, you choose yes. If you think it will not happen, you choose no. And what makes EventX interesting is that BingX also offers up to 10x leverage on event contracts plus 0% trading fees for a limited time. So in this video, I'll show you what BingX EventX is, how the platform works, what makes the leverage feature different, why crypto traders might use it, and how to join the current $1 million mystery box campaign. Also, I have an exclusive code for the first 50 users. The link is in the description. This gives you a 20 USDT voucher with 5x leverage for futures only. To claim it, register using my link in the description, enter the code and claim the voucher in the reward section. Quick disclaimer, this video is just for educational and experience sharing only. It's not a financial advice. Contract trading is risky and you can lose money, so always manage your risk. But now, let's get into it. BingX EventX is a product that turns real-world events into tradable markets. Each event is built around one question. For example, will Bitcoin reach a certain price? Will a team win a tournament? Will oil go above a certain level? You choose your side, yes or no, and the market moves based on how people price the chances of that event happening. The important part is that you do not always need to wait until the event is finished. The price can move before the final result because news, market sentiment, and new information can change the odds. So you can hold until settlement, or you can close earlier if the trade moves in your favor or if you want to cut the loss. This is why EventX is interesting. It lets you trade topics that people are already talking about: crypto, sports, economics, entertainment, and global events. So instead of trading candles on a chart, you can trade your view on what is happening in the world. Now let me show you how the platform works. So first, open BingX and go to EventX. You can find it from the contract section in the market page or sometimes from the homepage features product area. Once you enter EventX, you will see the event list, also called the event square. This is where you browse different live events. My advice is simple. Choose an event you actually understand. If you follow crypto, look at crypto events. If you understand sports, look at sports events. If you follow macro or economics, look at those events. Don't just choose something random because it looks exciting. When you open an event, you will see the main question and the two sides, yes and no. Choose the side you believe in, enter your amount, and then choose your order type. You can choose market order if you want to enter right away, or a limit order if you want to enter at a specific price. After you place your trade, you can manage the position. You can hold until the event settles, or you can close earlier. So that's the basic process. Choose an event, pick yes or no, enter amount, and manage the trade. Now let's talk about the main feature, leverage mode. This is where BingX EventX becomes more interesting for active traders. With leverage mode, you can trade event contract with up to 10x leverage. Instead of only waiting for the final event results, you can trade the movement in a market odds before the event ends. So for example, imagine there is an event about Bitcoin reaching a certain price. If Bitcoin suddenly pumps, more traders may believe the event will happen and the yes side may increase in value. With leverage mode, that movement can be amplified up to 10x. But of course, leverage works both ways. It can increase gains, but it also increases losses. So this is not something to use randomly. You need to understand the event, use small size, and know your risk before entering. Also, leverage mode has an auto close time. That means the position closes before the final event settlement. So before opening a leverage trade, always check the closing time on the event page. If you are new, BingX also has classic mode. This is simpler. You choose yes or no, enter your amount, and hold until the event ends. So classic mode is better for beginners, while leverage mode is more for traders who want to trade short-term movements in the odds. There are also a few other benefits. You can start with just 1 USDT, so you don't need a lot of money to test the product. For a limited time, EventX also has 0% trading fees, which makes it easier to try with small sizes. And because you can close positions early, you are not always locked until the final event result. So you may ask, why would crypto traders care about this? Because sometimes the crypto market is slow. Bitcoin moves sideways, altcoins are quiet, and everyone is waiting for the next big move. But with EventX, there may still be other opportunities in crypto events, sports, economics, or global events. If you understand the topic, that knowledge can become a trading opportunity. Maybe you follow a football, maybe you follow a macro news, maybe you understand crypto narratives. EventX give you another way to use that knowledge instead of only trading Bitcoin or altcoins. Now, quick word about BingX itself. BingX is a global trading platform that supports crypto, futures, copy trading, and now EventX. It is trusted by over 40 million users worldwide, and it's also one of the top 5 crypto derivatives platforms. And on the security side, BingX highlights a $150 million shield funds, proof of reserves, and ISO 27001 certification. For beginners, BingX also has BingX Academy and 24/7 support, so there are learning resources if you need help. Now let's talk about the big campaign. BingX is running a mystery box lucky draw campaign starting on May 19 with a total prize pool of $1 million. You can earn lucky draw chances by being active on the platform. That includes depositing, trading, and inviting friends. The more active you are, the more chances you get. So if you are already planning to try EventX, this campaigns give you another reason to check it out now. The campaign link also will be in my description, so definitely check this out. And now, one more reminder about my exclusive code. Use the code that is in the description. This is limited to the first 50 users only. You can get a 20 USDT voucher with a 5x leverage futures only. To claim it, click my BingX link in the description, register your account, enter the code, and then go to your reward or voucher section to claim it. Once the first 50 spots are gone, the offer is gone, so be fast. So that is BingX EventX. It lets you trade real-world events with simple yes or no contracts, including crypto, sports, economics, entertainment, and more. The main feature is up to 10x leverage plus limited time 0% fees and the ability to start with just 1 USDT. But remember, this is still trading. There is risk and you can lose money. So start small, understand the event, and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. If you want to try EventX, use my link in the description. Also, check Mystery Box campaign for a chance to join the $1 million prize pool. This is all for today. Like the video, subscribe Web3 Planet, and I'll see you in the next video.